We'll start with Ms. Hamill. This is a long one, so bear with me here. Kaiser and Summit hospitals need to be rebuilt to meet state seismic standards. The rebuilding plans will be heard by the council during your term. There is a temptation to use the rebuilding process to discontinue patient services which are not the most profitable, even if Oakland citizens need these services. In addition, one of the hospitals has had very poor labor relations in recent years. What will you do as a council member to address these issues during the approval process?
Well, I am I'm very interested in building good relationships with both Kaiser and Summit. I think they're very important institutions in Oakland. I would respond to any development or rebuild package in the way that I think is balanced and fair and sensible and not overly political, making sure that there is, making sure that they get some of the things that they need to take good care of their patients, and making sure that the community is getting the kind of health care that it needs. And if there are areas of disagreement, that we negotiate and try to work out some kind of agreements.
Thank you. Ms. Kaplan.
Absolutely. Our hospitals are vital to our city, both for public health and as part of our economic engine. In fact, healthcare is projected to be the largest job sector of growth in the next 10 years. There are going to be more new jobs in healthcare than in any other industry. And that's going to be very important also, because part of what we need as a city is more good jobs. Now, in terms of, for example, Kaiser Hospital, there's already been many years of community process involved in renegotiating that design to make sure it's friendly to pedestrians and the neighborhood. There have been some changes made based on community input, and I really congratulate the neighbors who've been very, very active on that. But it's not over. And part of why I'm happy that I have a good relationship and the endorsement of both the California Nurses Association and United Healthcare Workers West is that I will then, when it comes time to come up with the additional factors, work with those people who know on the front lines what else needs to be added to the package.
Thank you.